guys, Miss Kim here. I'm back for another book. So today the book is The Rainy Day by Anna Milburn and Sarah Gale. All right, let's begin. The Rainy Day. Big dark clouds are hiding the sun. It looks like it's going to be a rainy day. Have you ever wondered what clouds are made of? Wonder what they're made of. I think they kind of look like cotton, don't you? Well, sometimes they look as if you could cuddle them, but really, they're nothing but wispy mist. Clouds are made of lots and lots of teeny tiny water drops. Inside the clouds, the water drops grow bigger and bigger. After a while, they grow so big and so heavy, what happens? They fall right out of the sky and it starts to rain. The rain falls softly at first. Birds huddle in the trees to keep their feathers dry. Other animals hop and creep and crawl away to hide. Then all at once, it pours and pours. The rain makes puddles on the ground. Splish, splash, splash. Snails like being out in the rain. Wriggly worms love getting wet. Frogs come out to hop about and splash in the puddles. Plants like the rain too. Rain trickles into the soil. Thirsty plants suck it up through their roots. See, just like we need to drink water, so do plants. They have to have water too, so they get their water through their roots. See, right here. The plants suck up the water that's in the ground, and that is how they get their water. The sun peeks out from behind the clouds and shines through the falling rain. A beautiful rainbow appears in the sky. Can you help me name the colors of the rainbow? Let's start here. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. As the sun stops, the rainbow gently fades away. The clouds float away across the sky. Uh-oh, what's going to happen now? What is all this? Squelch, squelch. The ground has turned into squishy mud. A thousand tiny raindrops sparkle in the grass, and little birds take baths in the puddles. The warm sunshine dries up all the rain. Slowly, the puddles get smaller and smaller until they are all gone. It looks like it's going to be a sunny afternoon. The end. Well, I hope you enjoyed that book, and I will be back with some more. I'll see you soon. Take care.